sausage meats. You alright? You alright, not bad. Can I take your collar number?
2824.
Can you stand back a bit, mate? Bit intimidating that. Can I take your collar number, mate?
2928.
You have names?
You don't need a collar number, what do you do?
Alright, am I under the wrong impression then?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're just wondering, we just had a report that you've been trying to take pictures in the police station, just what you're doing.
Okay.
Pardon?
Yeah, I said okay.
What have you been doing?
What you been doing?
Just taking pictures.
You've been taking pictures.
Have you been taking pictures?
Am I allowed to take pictures?
Just asking what you're doing, aren't I?
I'm just asking, am I allowed to take pictures? Am I allowed to take pictures, officer?
Depends what it's of, doesn't it?
Does it?
Not inside the windows into our office.
So I can't take pictures like that?
They're quite sensitive material, couldn't they?
So why don't you close your windows then?
How can I close the window when it's closed?
They've got blinds, I can see blinds.
What's your name, bud?
What's your name? You won't tell me your name, you want my name.
What's that? Yeah, I do.
What for? If you give me your name, we'll do a quid pro quo. What's the body cam going on for?
Well, you're filming us, aren't you?
Yeah. Nah, it just looks a bit intimidating because you won't stand still. You keep like circling me.
I'm a fidgeter, that's all.
No, I just want to know, yeah, if I'm not performing a legal activity. Because to my knowledge, I am performing a legal activity.
You are performing a legal activity?
I am, yeah.
Well, you already know you're doing it then.
So what are you speaking to me for then? Haven't you got a job to?
How old is you performing an illegal activity?
Haven't you got a job to be doing that we're paying for?
I'm talking to you.
Yeah. What about though? Legal activities? But it's a legal activity. If there's sensitive information in there and you don't want it on camera, you should make that a bit more secure. Because it says on your own website as well that I'm allowed to film anywhere from a public place. You're looking at me with a lot of hatred in your eyes, mate.
I've never met you before, I've got no reason to hate you, have I?
Alright, are you finished?
Say again?
Have we finished here? Because I'm busy.
Conversation, aren't
Yeah, I know, but it just seems a bit, I feel a bit intimidated.
we? Right.
Because you won't give me your names, but you're asking me for my names.
I've given you my collar number.
But yeah, but that's what I mean. Alright then, I'm 540, that's my collar number.
Right.
Yeah. Are we finished here? Because I'm quite intimidated at the minute.
I've not done anything to intimidate you.
Okay. Am I detained here?
Obviously not detained you.
God bless, mate.
We should have been out to have a chat with you, haven't we?
Yeah, but what about legal activities though? Listen mate, you should really be utilising your time better to catching criminals
Right.
and non-legal activities.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you've got issue with how West Yorkshire Police are handling their data, you could use that more effectively, couldn't you, by writing into them and telling them rather than...
I don't need to though, I don't need to write in.
You've got concerns.
I don't have concerns, I'm just telling you
Right.
that you could be utilising your time better than talking to me performing a legal activity when there's plenty of non-legal activities out there.
Right.
But I just feel like you're wasting police time.
Right. I am, or you are.
You are.
Right.
You came out to speak to me, so why would I be wasting police time? I'm covering a story.
Right.
Yeah. It's quite awkward, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? It's
It's not awkward at all.
it's awkward for me though. It's awkward for me.
What is it?
Because the way that you approached me and won't give me your last names, which usually when I meet police officers, they're quite willing to tell me their names. I'm not doing anything that's illegal as far as I'm aware.
But surely you must expect that if you start looking as though you're trying to film in the inside of a police station,
Well, it goes with
someone would come and speak to you and ask
it goes with story. Do you know what the story is? It's called 10 Corrupt West Yorkshire Police Officers.
Okay.
And I like to give a visual as I'm telling the story.
Right.
Yeah. So that's about it really. Do you know what I mean? It's
So you're part of written press then?
pardon?
Are you part of the written press?
I'd rather not answer that, mate.
I'm only just making an observation.
Scott, I'm just waiting for a phone call back. We've got to hold on with you for 2 minutes, alright?
So I'm detained.
You were detained at the minute.
What for?
I've told you filming inside the police station.
All right then. So you need to tell me.
You won't tell me your name at the minute, will you?
You won't tell me your name
No, I
though.
won't, 'cause you don't
That's
need
the
it.
thing. You don't need my name then, do you?
Oh, I do.
What for?
Right, we're going round in circles.
Well,
now,
no, wait a
so
minute. I'm
I am
detained.
gonna keep going round
So
in
you're detaining me now, yeah? So I'm wanting to leave.
No.
I'm not allowed to
Stay
leave.
with us for now.
Okay. All right. Okay.
I ain't gonna fall out with you, Chief.
No, it's all right, but you shouldn't be detaining people for performing illegal activities. What are you detaining me for? Suspected of committing what crime?
For filming inside police.
What crime is it though? Because I don't know.
I'm not speaking to you.
You're not telling me what crime you detained me for?
Not at the minute, no.
All right, mate.
All right.
I do actually make civil claims as well for, you know, false detention and stuff like that.
That's fine.
Because this is a false detention. Because you won't tell me what you suspect me of committing of. What offence you suspect me of committing.
We won't give us your details at the minute, so we don't know who you are, do we?
You can't just come on the street and start taking people's details.
Well, you can't zoom into our offices.
How do you know I zoomed in?
Because you've told us you were zooming in.
I didn't say. I've said I was filming. Who said I was zooming in?
Brilliant. So we're going to have your details or not? No.
Am I legally obliged to give you one?
I can't start on all this.
You're not starting all. What I need to know my rights, mate. Listen, you can't enforce law if you don't know it, surely. Am I legally obliged to give me details? Because I don't want to be you trumping up charges and getting me arrested, mate.
What charges are we going to trump?
Exactly, because I've not committed any offence, but now you're bullying me for my details.
I'm not bullying you. I'll
Well,
ask you a question.
am I legally obliged to give my details?
Go on.
Because if I am, I'll give them. Listen, yeah, if I'm suspected of committing any offence, right, then I'll happily give my details.
Okay.
Right, but as far as I'm aware, that you don't have to do that. So I'd like to be informed, yeah, of what laws I'm suspected of committing a break-in, and then I'll give my details. And as well, on other hand, if you'd have given me your name, I'd have given you my name as well. But this is a false detention, this. So... yeah, so guys, I've given this guy a full description of what I'm doing, that I'm here making a documentary against corrupt police officers. He's telling me that I have to give my details. He's detained me, but he's not told me what offence I'm suspected of committing in order to detain me. It's quite an awkward one for me, this guy's, because it's not a prison. These guys have got a bit more power than a prison officer, so they can tell me that I have to stay here, and he has told me that under no uncertain circumstances that I've got to stay here. I've got to wait till he's finished on radio. He's not told me why he's detained me, but he's just told me that I'm detained. Guys, am I still detained?
No, you're free to go.
I'm free to go. Can you tell me why you detained me, please?
Just because we just needed to make sure from the reports we'd had in the police station that you're not doing anything untoward, that's all. So some of our colleagues have nipped round to the police station. They've made sure that you're not doing anything untoward, so we'll let you go. All
Okay,
right?
yeah.
Simple as that. That's
Yeah.
it.
All right, have a nice day.
Thank
You're
you.
dismissed.
See you later.
You're dismissed.
Thank you. Take care, buddy. Lovely documentary.
Check it out, you'll be on there later. For falsely detaining people. Do you guys know what the Pinnack movement is? Do you know what the Pinnack movement is, guys? I suggest you learn. Type it into Google.